In this video, we follow the incredible journey of bread, from grain to the golden loaf, inside this massive factory. Every day, massive quantities of wheat arrive at the processing plant, beginning the journey from raw grain to finished product. Assessing the quality of the raw grain is paramount. Only the purest kernels continue on to the milling process. This specialized mill grinds the grain into a fine powder, releasing a cloud of flour dust into the air. Using specialized blades, the bakers score intricate patterns into the proof dough. These cuts guide the expansion during baking. Using specialized rotary cutters, the team precisely scores the surface, preparing the loaves for the intense heat of the ovens. The conveyor system feeds the shaped loaves directly into the ovens, beginning the dramatic transformation from raw dough to finished product. The rapid cooling causes the golden crust to contract, resulting in the deep cracks forming now. Under the high-intensity light, the uniformity of the crumb structure is revealed, a testament to precision and craftsmanship.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the factory ensures maximum efficiency, packaging thousands of loaves an hour with pinpoint accuracy.
This stage, the heat sealer applies intense, focused heat, transforming the plastic film into a crisp, airtight barrier around the product.
The contrast is immediate. The sharp, industrial cut reveals the tender, glossy interior beneath the hardened crust.
Sliced fresh every morning, our artisanal loaf embodies quality, a journey from raw material to this perfect moment.
The process begins with the expert bakers shaping the dough, a vital human touch before the machinery takes over.
Under the studio lights, the rich texture and golden brown color of the loaf are highlighted, showcasing its perfection.
Here are the fresh sourdough slices for you.
Oh, wonderful. They look absolutely delicious. Thank you.
Rotation reveals the flawless material transformation, showcasing the complete uniformity and the distinct, even bake marks on the base. And here we see the final product, the culmination of the entire transformation process, resulting in this perfectly formed loaf. Kilometer after kilometer, the production line delivers thousands of identical loaves, each one baked to perfection. The intense heat transforms the simple dough. The caramelized blisters and deep scoring are the hallmarks of a perfect bake.
Look at that perfect golden crust.
Can I have a big piece, please?
Coming right up.
From the massive ovens of the factory floor, these loaves represent the perfect fusion of industrial scale and artisanal luxury.
Here, the raw industrial surface meets the polished perfection of the bake, fresh from the heat.
As the butter melts, the golden liquid seeps deep into the irregular air pockets, transforming the dry crumb.
This aisle alone represents the massive daily distribution network, ensuring countless tables are supplied with fresh bread daily.
The journey from grain to enjoyment culminates in this simple act, the breaking of fresh, warm bread.
Using macro cinematography, we explore the crystallized surface of the crust, a testament to the Maillard reaction.
The morning sun illuminates the culmination of a precise industrial process, resulting in artisan-quality bread.
Here, raw ingredients are transformed with industrial precision, resulting in the flawless texture seen in every symmetrically aligned loaf. Inside the factory, precision meets tradition. The raw dough is transformed by heat, emerging as the perfect loaf.